Reliable high-performance ultra-high-speed HDMI cable. 10-foot, 3-meter, length and included cable tie for ultimate setup flexibility. Uninterrupted speed and maximum visual performance. Transmits 4K resolution at 120 Hz and 8K resolution at 60 Hz as specified in HDMI 2. 1. Supports up to 48 gigabits per second bandwidth. Supports dynamic HDR and eARC. Backwards compatible with earlier HDMI technology. Officially licensed by PlayStation, and includes 2-year limited warranty. Visit PowerA. Support. Connect your PlayStation 5 to any HDMI-compatible display with this officially licensed 10-foot ultra-high-speed HDMI cable with included cable tie. Get crystal clear picture and crisp, perfect sound from your favorite console. Experience uninterrupted speed and maximum visual performance from every game in your PlayStation 5 library. Transmits 4K resolution at 120 Hz and 8K resolution at 60 Hz as specified in HDMI 2. 1. Plus it supports up to 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, dynamic HDR, and eARC. Top reviews from the United States. Best charging cable for PS4, PS5. This cord is the best charging cable for PS5 by far. In my experience, it'll have your controllers fully charged within an hour or hour and a half tops. Keep in mind you can get in different sizes if I am not mistaken. I prefer the 10 feet one, so you never have interruptions when gaming.